I'm in Streling Munnar now. So in this video I will be giving a room tour of the Indulge category room which we have taken for the night. So come, let me give you a room tour. Once you enter, there is place to keep your luggage, and then here is the bathroom. There is a phone, there is a hair dryer and a hand wash basin, mirror and a close-up mirror, and a bin for toiletries. You have shaving kit, dental kit, soap, body lotion, sanitary bag, shower cap. There is a towel rack and a basic shower partition. There is a full length mirror here. Opposite side is the wardrobe. Basic. Coming to the room, that is this TV, AC, a writing desk, some tables, carpet. There is a side table with telephone and in-room dining. Now let's go see the view. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more updates of similar videos and many more videos. Thank you for watching.